I had to take a picture of this because I don't think I've ever seen it before. This is, I'll have to check the name of it. It's something like flat-winged saltbush or something. Anyway, you'll see it's got some nice little spikies in some spots. They're like right there. You can see the heavy little spikies right there. But it's actually blooming. I'm not sure I've ever seen it bloom before. They are obviously not a colorful flower, which is one of the reasons you could miss them. They're slightly green, but they're a trumpet design. And yeah, I don't think I've ever seen them bloom before. And this whole cluster here, just right next to the greenhouse, is blooming like crazy. I don't know if it has any smell or not. At least if I can figure that out. Can't smell anything, but that just means me. But yeah, when we put in the roads and stuff, we tried to not disturb everything. And one of the things that we left with some of these plants, there's also a cluster of them in front of the studio. Now the ones in front of the studio are not as tall, so it might be a slightly different variety. But, or it could just be that they get better water and protection here or something, I don't know. Anyway, I thought that was kind of exciting. I've never seen it bloom before, so I had to take a picture because, well, if I've never seen it bloom before and I'm pretty paying attention, then somebody else has never seen it bloom before either. This is the most amazing iris display that we've ever had here. The storms have not been particularly healthy. I had a couple of pieces broken off, but I stuck them in a vase in the kitchen and they are starting to bloom. This is pretty much the full range of colors we have. Purple, white, yellow, and there's a really cool purple and white one down here. And then there's this lavender color. And then there's kind of two different colors of lavender. You got the really sort of moderate shade like that. And then there's a paler one too that we get. But this is amazing. The irony behind this is that these iris were gifted to us by a friend probably 6 years ago, and she passed in January. So we joke about this being a memorial garden. That, yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the center bed over here is starting to really produce too. I can hear a hummingbird yelling. Probably annoyed that the dog is wandering around. Here's the purple and white ones, too. Bachelor buttons are starting to button. What I always love is when you get a grouping like this and you wind up, there's all different colored flowers that are going to be in here. And these ones that are like multiple colors with patterns and everything else, very cool. There's another one. This clump is mostly pink, but even in this clump that's mostly pink, you can see you get everything from solid pink to really pale with just a pink center, sort of less pale. Just amazing. Coolest plants ever. And here's the center bed that's got, I don't think we have any white in here. I'm trying to remember, but this is mostly lavender with a few purple, and there's a couple of yellow on the other side. But again, this is probably the best display we've ever had here. Now, we did have a much wetter winter than usual. So it just goes to show what a little extra water will do for you. And I didn't even really spend a lot of time fertilizing or fussing this year at all. But they've come out just really amazing. He would be thrilled. I know we are.